guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon Prime unboxing and I am super excited about this. And you guys, this is not arts or crafts related. So not something you would normally see. Well, I guess, you know what, I guess it kind of is. But not in the way that you would think of it. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. I don't want to give it away. I want it to be a surprise. So let's take a look in the bag. And let's toss the bag. Oh, it's a bag in a bag. Made in China. So a bag in a bag. So do you suppose that means this is drop shipped and this is the original bag and then whoever bought it sent it to me on? I don't know. Here's a peek in the other bag. And both of these bags are bubble wrapped, so this was very carefully packaged, which is awesome when you see what's inside it. And here we have a pretty blue box that is kind of sparkly. Can you see that? It's got like glitter in there. Oh, a little piece of paper. I don't know if I have both lights on, but it's nighttime. Can you see the glitter? Very pretty gift box. Very, very nice. A little rectangular hand-sized box. And I'm so excited. Oh, so we still can't see because there's more bubble wrap. Hang on. There's two things in here. So let's pull out the first one. And this is not the main thing. This is just like the bonus thing. It's a little pendant on a chain. Ooh! Not on a chain. It just fell off in my hand. It's a pendant with a chain. So let me put the pendant first down. And, oh, my fingers are going to be in the way. What if it's not going to show the color. What can I do? Here, hang on. This is not ideal, but I'm going to take a tissue, fold it again, fold it again. I feel like I'm making a little tiny dog bed. I just want something white so you can see the color of this. It's so beautiful. I hope you can see it. No, my camera's not picking it up. I will try to adjust the light in my editing software so you can see. It is an amber colored pendant. It's so pretty. It's really beautiful. Now, I don't know if it's real. Like, I would say by touching it, it's not, because it doesn't feel stone-like to me. Stone is usually very cold and crystals are stone. But it could just be that they've polished it and put it in resin or something. But it's very pretty anyway. And it's much darker than a real amethyst usually is. But it's an amethyst pendant. And it came with this chain. And this is just the bonus. So it's a cute little silver chain. And I don't know how long it is or anything. I don't know if it says how long it is. No, I can't see any information on how long the chain is. But if you have a big neck, it might make it more like a choker. But it's very pretty. But this is not why I bought this. That's just the bonus that came with it. I'm very excited to see what's in here. This is something I have wanted my whole life, and I used to have a small piece. But now I finally have the bigger one. I'm going to have to lift this up. You see the box is, it's like a little bed for a pet. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see this. I hope it's real. I hope I didn't get ripped off. Very, very happy with how carefully they have packaged this because it's fragile. Oh my God, that's beautiful. I bought myself a geode. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, you guys, I love it so much. I wish I could show you in better light. I'll try to brighten it up. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is just the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. I'm gonna cry. Oh, I love this so much. So look at on the outside, we just have a regular rock. But then it's been cut and you can see there's quartz inside, some white quartz. And then someone cut it to show this beautiful geode. And how awesome would it be to find a rock like that and break it open and find this inside? I have been collecting rocks since I'm a little girl, since I was a little girl on the shores of Lake Superior, where we have our camp, which is the rest of the world calls a cottage or a cabin. I've been collecting rocks all my life, and my whole life I wanted an amethyst geode. And a few years ago I did have a very small piece, and I don't know where it went. I don't know. I moved so much. It was before I moved the last time, so it could just be in storage somewhere. But the one I had before was about this big. So this is a palm size one, and it is just radiant. Oh, and it's definitely a real one. So now this is not one from my area. I live in Northern Ontario, Canada, and about an 8-hour drive from me is a city called Thunder Bay. And they have an amethyst mine outside of Thunder Bay that I've always wanted to go visit. And they have Canadian amethyst, but I believe this one is from, it's international. Hang on. I know I read where it came from, but now I can't find it. Okay, you guys, I can't find where this came from. I thought it did say there on here, but let me tell you a little bit more. I could not be happier. I want to kiss this thing. I want to rest my head in it. My whole life, I have been drawn to quartz and amethyst. Like the white quartz, the caramel colored quartz. I don't know if it has a different name. Any kind of quartz I love very much. But amethyst and rose quartz and the white quartz are my favorite. And the caramel, I guess all of them. But I've always wanted a piece of amethyst. And especially in the geode form. Like I've had polished amethyst. I've had amethyst bracelets. But I've never had anything this beautiful in my life. I'm so pleased with this, you guys. So pleased. Alright. So this is a half-pound amethyst cluster. And don't forget, it came with this bonus pendant and chain. It was only $22.99. It was on sale. It was regular $24.99, it says. I am so happy with this because I thought, oh, what are the odds that it will be real for that price? There was one locally I wanted a few years ago. It was bigger than this. I would say maybe double. And they wanted over $300 for it. And it wasn't like hugely bigger. Just, it was like 2 pieces of this together. Like if you had the opposite side too. Like that size. Like this. And yeah, it was almost $300. I can't believe I got this for $22.99. This is definitely a real crystal, and it's gorgeous. I'm so happy. So anyway, I bought it from the company called NVZI, $22.99 Canadian. And I don't know if this is real, but this is real. It says this is real, but I don't know. And also, let's not forget about the necklace part. Where did I put it? If I put it all together. Isn't that the most beautiful thing in the world? I'm so excited, you guys. I'm going to try to put this on so I can tell you if it fits. Okay, I'm a bigger person. I have a pretty thick neck. So I usually need a longer chain. But it's okay because I have chain extenders if I need them, because I do want to wear this. I can't believe I got that beautiful geode and this pretty little necklace for $22 Canadian. Oh, you guys, the necklace, the chain is a beautiful length. The necklace comes exactly where I like it to come. It's about like halfway down to my chest. So it's not anywhere near tight on my neck or up high. It's exactly where I like my necklaces to fall. I will put an image of what I bought here just so you can see what the necklace looks like, because I don't think it's showing up in my camera, okay? Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, I would definitely buy from this company again. I'm going to favorite this company. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my gosh, I love it so much. And the necklace is perfect. It falls in the right place. I don't know. I can't show you because I can't get close because the camera. But I am so happy with this, you guys. It is perfect. This has been calling to me all week. I don't know why, but I really needed an amethyst this week. I've been going through a lot of tragedy and illness in my family this week. My mom's best friend, my aunt, and my dad. My aunt is not going to make it. She's 99 and she had a lovely life, but it's still hard. My dad is going to be okay, but we had a scary night. I was up all night. He was in the emerge. But yeah, it's been a really, really crazy couple of weeks, especially this week. And for some reason, I just needed an amethyst, and now I have one. And it's perfect, and I love it. Alright, you guys, if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of those things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy shopping. Bye, guys.